So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learn AMG. So many of you have been asking me about the actual AirPods third generation and why I think is one of the best current AirPods in the market. So essentially, you've got here the actual AirPods that last for almost 6 hours non-stop, that you can really hear music and really see how it goes, which I personally think is pretty much amazing. Then you've also got these actual air tips, which are really small and really easy to use, and in my opinion are top notch. Then the quality of the actual audio is also amazing. So for those of you who have never heard an actual AirPod, whether it's the actual AirPods Pro, whether it's the AirPods third generation, they all work really well, and I really just like the sound of them. I mean, it's really mind-blowing how they can do such great actual AirPods. Then you've got evidently the actual charger, which currently it's the actual charger, which is the typical USB of the actual iPhone. And remember that you can also pay a premium and have the wireless charger, but I strongly recommend that you use this charging right here. Now you've got here the actual button for the pairing mode, and other than that, I do think that for 150 bucks, depending on where you buy it, I think it's one of the current best audio systems in the market. Now, while it hasn't got any cancellation noise system, it does have a great actual, let's say, movement with your actual head, that you hear the music based on where your head is positioned, and I do think that it's amazing. So if you've got any questions regarding the actual AirPods third generation, just leave it down here in the comments below me or anyone from the Learning MG team as shortly as possible. And as always, thank you very much for watching.